Um, Welcome back. Coming to the data analytics with Python, week 8, assignment 8. Coming to the questions one by one. For categorical data with n categories, the number of dummy variables will be n minus 1. In estimation of regression parameters, the option is both A and B. In logistic regression, the null hypothesis tested is H0 B beta is equal to 0. In logistic regression, the dependent variable is categorical. State true or false, G static is used to check the individual significance of the independent values. That is false. What is the range of values as output from the sigmoid function 0 to 1? State true or false, the method of least squares is used to predict the population parameters with any probability distribution. False. Suppose you have been given a fair coin and you want to find out the odds of getting heads. What is the following option is true for such cases? Odds will be 1. And large value of the log likelihood static indicate that the static model fits the data well. The logit function given as I of x is log of L of x is the logs of odd functions. What could be the range of a logit function in the domain x is equal to 0, 1? That is a minus infinity to plus infinity. Now you can submit the answers. Once the answers are submitted, you can see the assessment is submitted. If you have any doubts regarding the questions, you can raise in the comment box so that I can answer the questions. I can review the questions. Okay. And please subscribe the channel and let's meet in the next week. The last date to submit the assignment is 23/24. Thank you.